art studio IGRA is one of many non-professional theater groups in the Greater Toronto Area. IGRA is a truly unique group. But what makes it unique, you might ask? First and foremost, it is a family atmosphere. Over the years of the studio's existence, the troupe has changed and grown, both in number of performers and the quality of performances. Under the guidance of a professional actress and director, Ina Vashenko, the art studio IGRA has become a second home for more than 20 people. 20 established adults who can temporarily forget that they were engineers, managers, teachers, economists. We come here to participate in workshops and performances, allowing us to transform into new characters and to escape the stresses of everyday life. Each one of us could probably tell their story for hours about what brought them here and kept them here in the studio with Ina. But if we were to try to summarize all the stories into one word, it would be happiness. Happiness from the opportunity to truly be themselves, to perceive things from various perspectives, to experience, feel, and to express new emotions. Happiness from meeting new people. Happiness for the chance to break out of the daily routine. Happiness from learning to overcome oneself. Happiness from the ability to create. Happiness from finding self-expression. And most importantly, we all bring this happiness back home to our family, our friends, and our colleagues. By sharing this positive energy with our loved ones, we strive to make the world a little bit better and kinder.